We will now determine the limit of the function g of x exists as x approaches -1. So we are going to follow this limit definition, and which says that if we have a function f of x and we want to find the limit of the function as x approaches a, we have to basically check if the one-sided limit are exactly the same. That is, the left side limit as x approaches a from the left, which is indicated as a negative, and the right side limit as x approaches a from the right, which is indicated as a plus, both equals to a finite value L. So then we can say that the limit of the function exists. So we are going to apply the same concept over here. So first, I'm going to find out the left side limit of the function g of x as x approaches -1 from the left side. So this can be written as a limit of g of x approaches -1 from the left, which is indicated as -1. Now we look into the graph and determine this. So we consider x is coming from the left of -1, and this means the graph actually approaches 1. So we can say that the limit of this function at as x approaches 1 from the left is positive 1. Now we will determine the right side limit. So this can be written as a limit of g of x as x approaches -1 from the right, which is indicated as -1 plus. We will now determine this. So this is -1. So we have to approach the graph like this. And this clearly shows that the graph is approaching -3. And clearly, the left side limit and the right side limit, these two are not the same. So, therefore, for this reason, the limit of the function does not exist. So, we can write down this statement as limit of g of x approaches -1 from the left is not equal to limit of g of x as x approaches -1 from the right. These two are not equal, so therefore the limit of the function does not exist.